how to remove the home button on the main menu navigation on Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So by default, once you open up your Shopify store and you set up your theme, you are going to find this home button in the main navigation, and you may want to remove it because it's pretty useless, because you can just click on the name of your store or your logo and it's just going to do exactly the same thing. So why should we have a different button here dedicated to the homepage? Anyways, we can feel free to remove it in two different ways, and I'm going to show you both different ways. So first, you just need to click on the X here, exit out of here. Just go to your main dashboard for your Shopify store, and it really depends on when you're going to be using this, because I believe there's a new update that rolled out and it changed where you'll find the menu settings here. So if you go to online store and see navigation at the bottom or somewhere around here, then just click on navigation. But if you don't see it, then you probably got the new update and you just want to go to content and just go to menus. And now we can just feel free to adjust it. So what we need to do, just click on main menu here. And we will find ourselves in here, and we can see all the different menu items that are available for this main menu, which is pretty much the one at the top here. So what we need to do is just go ahead, hover over the home button, which is this one, and click on the trash icon right next to it and click on remove. Click on save and we're pretty much good to go. Now you should, you shouldn't really see the home button anymore in that navigation. And by the way, you can feel free to add it back again if you want to. Just click on add menu item, label it home if you want to, and just click on link and just set it up to be the home page. But we just want to remove it, so just click on remove. Once you do that, we can just go back to our online store, view it, and we will see that we don't have the home page anymore. I know you see it, but if you just restart, it's just going to be gone, because Shopify does take a little bit of time before they update. Now, this is the first method, and this is pretty much the easier one. But if you want to create a whole new menu instead, we can also do so and remove the home page from it. So we can just click on create menu, name it whatever you want. So main menu 2, and let's just add menu items, excluding the home page. So we can add, for example, the contact page. Let's just select the contact page from pages. Contact. Let's add another item here. So test, for example, and let's just go to pages, link it to test, and let's just add one more here. So drop down for a page that is called drop down. So we are good to go. Click on save. And now to apply this and have it available instead of the main one, you just want to click on customize on the Dawn theme, or any theme really. Click on the header, which is includes the actual menu. Click on change under menu, change menu, and just select the one that we just created. Click on that, and now it's just going to display the new one instead of the old one. So this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.